For your Microsoft Office content of the class, we will be using Blackboard and MyIT Lab. In Blackboard, you will be submitting book projects which are in your Microsoft Office book. For completing those projects, you will need to get first what is called student data files. Documents that have already been created to make it easier for you to complete the projects in the book. Those are the basic projects, and you should do those first before attempting any of the other Microsoft Office related projects in MyIT Lab. So submitting book projects in Blackboard and then going and doing the more advanced projects in MyIT Lab is the correct sequence to tackle the Microsoft Office 2013 projects portion of the course. As you can see, there are two websites that you could use to get the student data files for the book projects. Every student, after they create their MyIT Lab account, has access to the e-text. So if you are ever on any computer and you want to work on your homework and you don't have your book, you can go to the e-text website, sign in with your MyIT Lab, log in, and then from there access each chapter, and there's a link for the student data files there. Now, if you would like a more straightforward approach in the sense of going and downloading all the files at once, or going to a place where you only download files, then the Pearson site, the PearsonHigherEd.com Go site, has all the student files listed here. So what I am going to do is I am going to show you how to go to each site. Now, please remember that because we are using Blackboard and MyIT Lab, that it is important then that your MyIT Lab access is permanent. When you first sign in, if you use a temporary 14-day access, you do need to buy your permanent code in order to complete the class and complete all the work that is going to be assigned from Microsoft Office, not just doing the projects in the book and submitting online to the course site. Okay, so let's go and take a look at how it works with the Pearson site first. PearsonHigherEd.com Go. So here we are on the PearsonHigherEd.com Go website. And notice that what I'm going to do is I'm going to filter the results, and I'm going to go down to the version of Microsoft Office that is currently being used in the class. I'm going to use as an example Office 216, but for your class, make sure that you click on the proper link for the version. Then, of course, you would need to select the proper book, and this is listed in your syllabus and in the bookstore website. And once you click on the link for that site, and notice that there are options for downloading the data files. And so as you can see from the data files, you can download all of them, and then it would be all of the files that are included here, or you could use the individual links and just download the files that you need that week. Some people like to work ahead in the class, so they just download everything and have it, and then they are set up. Now, the files here are in compressed format, so you will need to have a program in your computer that can help you unzip the files. Windows does have an option, as well as Mac, but there are other third-party programs that can help you with these tasks, and they're listed there. So yes, you do need to download, and then you need to open those files to be able to use them for your projects. And then again, if there's any questions about any of these steps, you can email your instructor. And that is how you get to the student data files. on the PearsonHigherEd.com Go site. So now we are going to the PearsonEtext.com website. You will use your username and password that you created for My IT Lab to access this site. So here, I have a lot of books because I am an instructor, but when you sign in, you will see that you can scroll down and find the book for our class and click on it. Once you click on the link for the book of the class, the e-text will open. Notice that then on the left-hand side, you will be able to navigate to the different chapters. Starting with Microsoft Word, then you will be able to go to that particular chapter. And from there, then there is a link to the student data files that you can click on.